Yes, the reason why I brought you here and all of us because you have to teach how to drive a train. Okay. Everyone, are you ready? Ready? And also, who left that door open? Me, I'll close it. Okay. There we go. Thank you really much. Let's go. Let's go home. Yay! We're having fun. I know. 10 minutes later. Hey, that was the piece of candy I was gonna get. No, stop! Give me it! No! Hey, you're pushing me. Stop! I'm gonna hit you. Ah! Kids, if you don't stop arguing, kids, if you argue one more, kids, that's enough. If you argue one more time, I'm gonna stop this train. Fine. Watch what is gonna happen. Pop your balloon. Ah, Tesla! Whoa! What's going on? What's good? Thomas and Friends. What's so funny about? Look. Okay, that's it. I had enough. I'm gonna stop the train. Kids, we're going back to the school. I'm sorry. Give us another chance. Fine, but don't argue one more time. Fine. Oh, Teacher Penguin, a tree has fallen over the tracks. I can handle that. Bestie, what are you doing? Oh no, the brakes aren't working. It's jammed. Do you know how to stop the train, everyone? Does everyone know how to stop the train? No! Sorry, Thomas and Friends. Sorry, Thomas and Friends, bestie. I couldn't do anything. Wait, I found something. The brakes have been snapped off for no reason all by itself. What? Who could fix that? I'll do it when you others stop the train. Okay. Trying to fix it. Oh. Oh no! 3 trees had fallen over the track. Throw one away. That one too. Come on. Oh, Thomas and Friends, get it out. Oh no. I give up. No. Hey, what's going on back here? Corey, my friend of my favorite car. David, don't worry. My favorite friend. Oh, that's it. Yes, I did it. Ouch! Ow! Up next. I'm here. Oh, I'll give her the seat. Oh my. The brakes aren't. Even my grandma wouldn't let me go somewhere else, and we were arguing at him. But my grandpa could, and my friend of the police officer could. But however, my grandma just spanks his butt and hit him and gets angry at him, and more angry because he doesn't want me away. But not this time. I got my bicycle. On a 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Come on. Oh, what was that? I don't know what that was, Thomas and friends. Ask. I can't tell. I'm not a stone wisher. Oh, what the? Oh, yeah. Oh my god. The gum. A thief can't stop me. A thief can't knock me. Whoa. What's going on now? Oh my god, that really hurt. Oh no, the train's leaving. I failed. Oh no, there's an end track. We're gonna crash. I got an idea. Inflate myself. Activate. Oh, I'm now all inflated. Now I'll bounce. Whoa! What's going on? Oh my! Whoa! What's going on? Oh my! The train's flying up to the air! Whoa! What's going on? Pop! Oh, better stop the train. Whoa! We landed safely! Yay! Mr. Rabbit, are you done with the brakes? Yay! We did it! Yes, I'll give it a start. It's working. Yay! Oh, yeah. Stop! Yay! Yay! Oh, we did it, guys! Everyone is safe. Yes, but never do such a thing when a train collapses, okay? Okay, sorry. Hey, one more thing. Do you know about a crazy joke? No, what is it? Fake.